Miss Peters. I'll see you next. Peter's mom really knows how to throw a good party. Look at what I won in the sack race.
And I won this in the spoon race. Mary and I won a pencil set in musical chairs.
I couldn't get away from the hot dogs. I wish there was a hot dog eating competition. I would have won first place. Hey, Bob, did you get a prize too?
Oh well, not yet. But I am going to win the biggest prize of them all.
But the party is over, Bob.
Not yet. Who wants to play the last game with me?
Me!
Great! How about a treasure hunt? Now all of you need to wear a pair of gloves.
How do we play, Bob?
Very simple is the game. You just have to pick and aim. With the gloves on your hands, look for paper, bottles, and cans.
Okay, but what do we do with them?
What do the bins say? Read out if you may. Come on, kids, give it a glance. Bottles, paper, and cans.
So we collect the bottles and put them in the bottle bin, the cans in the cans bin, and the paper in the paper bin? Is that right, Bob?
Yes, Mary, you got it.
But how is this a treasure hunt? What is the treasure?
I will tell you all about the treasure once you finish the game. So shall we start on the count of 3? 3, 2, 1.
Okay, wait for me. Help me here. Yeah.
Cool. There's that.
There's this.
Here we go.
Watch out.
And here's some more.
Hey, look out. Coming through.
Come on, guys.
So who won, Bob?
We all did, Jack.
What's the prize?
This greatest prize of all, better than a toy or doll, is this lovely little planet that we all do inhabit.
I didn't get it, Bob.
Don't we all love a clean home?
Oh, we do. I clean my room every week.
And isn't planet Earth our home?
Yeah, it is.
So, we just got ourselves a clean home.
Oh, yes! I get it! That's a great prize! But what will happen to all that we've collected?
A recycling plant, do you know, is where the bins will go. Crushed or cleaned, they will be, to be reused, don't you see?
Ah, so that we don't cut more trees and our planet Earth is at ease. The more we reuse, the less we have to lose.
Exactly. This way. We don't pollute the environment making more bottles or cans.
Okay.
Yeah, the Earth is much cleaner thanks to us.
Yes, we can breathe better air and live in a better place. Now isn't that the best prize one can get?
Yes, Bob!
Now always remember to pick up the waste and put them into the right bins. And be happy and healthy and caring towards our home, the planet Earth.
Uh-huh.
Time to go, kids.
Have a nice day, Bob. See you next time.
So all of you out there, if you love your planet, show that you care. Reduce the paper and plastic that you use. Recycle whatever you can. And reuse stuff instead of just throwing it away. That's the lesson of the day. Reduce, recycle, and reuse. Have a wonderful day filled with joy, laughter, and learning. See you soon.